Hey guys, let me show you how you can try to fix the SIM card locked problem on the Samsung Galaxy A57. I'm going to show you 4 tips. The first one, the PUC code. So this is the most common way. After you input your PIN 3 times wrong, your phone will lock and ask for PUC, so it's personal unblocking code. And where you can find it, you will have to check this original plastic card with your SIM. So your SIM were here, you take it off, and here you can find your default PIN code that you probably changed, but also can find this PUC code. So once prompt, you will have to input that code and your card will unlock. But what if you don't have this plastic card anymore? Where you can also find some solutions. So you can also check your carrier's app or website. It actually depends on the network provider. So if I have a T-Mobile, I will have to go for the Google Play Store and download this T-Mobile application like this, log into my account by using my phone number and the password, and then search for my device or SIM settings and try to also find the PUC code instantly. If it is still not working, you cannot do that. You can also contact the customer support. So you can call your provider from another phone. You will provide your ID details or account password, but also you can just go into this, customer shop, and instead of calling them, just go straight. Or you can just, the last result, you can just simply ask the service provider for SIM replacement. So you must visit a local provider store and ask for a SIM swap. So you will have to keep your phone number, but you will need a new physical card. And this is all tips that I can give you. There's like no any magic code that will allow you to unlock it.